Welcome back to another episode of our motivational audio series with Tony. Today we're going to explore how perseverance can keep your dreams alive. Overcoming obstacles is a critical aspect of personal growth and development. As we navigate through life, we encounter various challenges and setbacks that may seem daunting at first, but with determination and perseverance, we can learn to overcome them and emerge stronger. Perseverance is the ability to continue working towards a goal, despite the challenges and setbacks that may arise. It is an essential trait for personal and professional success, as it enables us to maintain our focus and commitment even when faced with adversity. In the face of obstacles, perseverance allows us to adapt our approach and remain resilient, ultimately leading us to achieve our dreams. As we journey through life, we encounter various types of obstacles that test our resolve and determination. Some common obstacles in life include personal challenges. These can include physical, emotional, or mental health issues that may impede our progress towards our goals. The ability to overcome these personal challenges is crucial for maintaining our well-being and pursuing our dreams. External setbacks. These are factors outside of our control, such as economic downturns, natural disasters, or unexpected events that can hinder our progress. Developing resilience and adaptability in the face of these setbacks is essential for overcoming obstacles and staying on track. Interpersonal conflicts. Relationships with others can sometimes be a source of obstacles, whether it be disagreements, misunderstandings, or outright hostility. Learning to navigate these conflicts and maintain healthy relationships is key to overcoming obstacles and achieving success. Limiting beliefs. Our mindset and beliefs about ourselves and our capabilities can significantly impact our ability to overcome obstacles. By identifying and challenging these limiting beliefs, we can break free from self-imposed barriers and pursue our dreams more effectively. When faced with obstacles, it is vital to have strategies in place to overcome them and stay on track towards our goals. Here are some helpful strategies for overcoming adversity. Acknowledge the obstacle. The first step in overcoming any obstacle is to recognize and accept its existence. Denying or ignoring the problem will only make it more difficult to overcome in the long run. Assess the situation. Take the time to analyze the obstacle and its potential impact on your goals. Determine the severity of the challenge and identify any resources or support that may be available to help you overcome it. Develop an action plan. Once you have a clear understanding of the obstacle, create a plan outlining the steps required to overcome it. This plan should include both short-term and long-term strategies, as well as contingency plans in case of unforeseen setbacks. Stay focused and committed. Maintain your focus on your ultimate goal and remain committed to your action plan, even when faced with setbacks. Cultivate a growth mindset and view obstacles as opportunities for personal growth and development. Seek support. Don't be afraid to reach out to others for help or advice. Friends, family, colleagues, or mentors can provide valuable insights and support during challenging times. There are many inspirational stories of overcoming obstacles. For example, Helen Keller. Despite being born deaf and blind, Helen Keller became a renowned author, activist, and lecturer. With the help of her teacher, Anne Sullivan, she learned to communicate and went on to break down barriers for people with disabilities. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah overcame a childhood marked by poverty and abuse to become one of the most influential women in the world. Her groundbreaking talk show paved the way for a diverse range of media ventures, making her a powerful force in the entertainment industry. Stephen Hawking. The world-renowned physicist was diagnosed with ALS at the age of 21, and doctors predicted he would only live for a few more years. Despite his physical limitations, Hawking continued his groundbreaking work in theoretical physics and became a symbol of determination and resilience. So the next time you face an obstacle, remember that perseverance and determination can keep your dreams alive. Embrace the challenge, stay focused on your goals, and never give up on your dreams. That wraps up today's episode of How Perseverance Can Keep Your Dreams Alive. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends and family, and I see you next time in another Tony's Motivational episodes.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.